In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to Power BI using a connector. This process can seem a bit technical at first, but with a clear step-by-step approach, you'll be able to establish a seamless connection and start utilizing the data from Jira effectively within Power BI. We're using the Power BI connector for Jira, an add-on provided by tools like those from AlphaServe, but the general process will be similar for other connectors you might come across. To begin with, open your Jira account and head to the Atlassian Marketplace. Once there, search for a Power BI connector for Jira app. For today's demonstration, we're focusing on one by AlphaServe, but as you become more familiar with this process, you can explore other options as well. Install the app, making sure to follow any specific installation instructions provided along the way to ensure it's set up properly within Jira. Once you've installed the connector, you're ready to create a data source. In the connector app interface, you'll find options to specify which data you'd like to pull into Power BI. This means you can choose the specific projects, fields, and issues that you want to work with. To refine your choices further, you might have access to JQL filters that allow for more precise selection. This ensures that you're working only with data that's relevant to your analysis needs. The connector will then generate a URL for you. Typically, this is an ODataFeed URL or something similar. This URL is your key to transferring data from Jira to Power BI, acting almost like a bridge between the two platforms. Next, move over to Power BI Desktop. Start by clicking on Get Data, browsing through the options until you find the right connector type. This might be labeled ODataFeed, or it might carry the name of the specific connector if it provides its own interface in Power BI. Paste the URL you generated from the Jira connector into Power BI and establish a connection. After connecting, you'll find yourself in Power Query, the area within Power BI where you can manipulate your data. Here, take the time to filter, transform, and clean the data. You might change column names, alter data types, or expand nested fields to ensure your dataset fits your analytical needs and is ready for detailed reports. Finally, it's important to set up data refresh. This ensures that your reports in Power BI remain up to date with the latest data from Jira. Connectors often support different refresh options, like import refreshes and incremental updates. This way, your Power BI reports will always reflect the most current information without requiring manual updates. I hope this guide simplifies the connection process for you. With these steps, integrating Jira with Power BI should become a straightforward procedure, allowing you to harness the full power of your data analytics capabilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reporting.